Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put u equals to cosine x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative sine x dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to b over number 6, so I will put this one go in here, and we have u equals to the square root of number 3 over number 2. When s equals to b over 3, we put this one go in here, and we have u equals to 1 over 2. This one that is about this one. This one that is about 1 over 2. This one that is about u. Sine x dx we change for negative du. So this one we can put negative u to the power of negative number 4. And now we have the final answer. And then we put the bounds from this one to this one. And now we have the final answer. So this one we have. This is the end. Thank you for watching.